TOPP stock analysis tomorrow and onward. This is for Wednesday. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Currently it's not in the bullish trend, but that's fine. TOPP Holdings is 9% down today. All I'm sticking to is my strategy that I've tested for 39,000 videos on my YouTube channel, all documented by the way, and all I'm still looking at is from this. Let's go here, daily chart. Yeah, it's not the best, not the worst. These are my lows. So yeah, now we're here. You can see the price just followed this to the T. Tapped into it. And only if it does reach up and shows me any sort of shift, then I'm going to look to take it down. Other than that, everything else is pure noise, you know? So I'll keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free sauce. Other than that, everything else is noise. That's all I'm trying to say, man. Like, not volatile enough, so be it. Not going to run after the trade. See you.